My name is Juan Puerta. I'm a character artist in the video game industry. I've been working in the video game industry for about, almost 9 years now. And right now, I'm a senior character artist at Pendulum Studio. I've worked in many different companies on video games, including Unity Technologies, Deep Silverfish Labs, Good Game Studios, Romero Games, so a bunch of them. So I've been doing this for a while. So before I joined the Authority Accelerator, I have been thinking about making a course of my own for years, but I always delayed it. I was not sure how to do it. I did not how to handle that. Uh, I wanted to like start small, like at small scale, but I knew that it was so much work to do something small that it just held me back. I was always watching YouTube videos about courses and how to do it and all the stuff, but it wasn't until I actually did join the Authority Accelerator that I really decided to dig in and go for it and like go for it all the way. So it made me do it the right way, because at the beginning I was thinking about making a course that it was like a small thing about 3D hair, like something small just to test out if it would work. That would have probably not worked. After I followed the program, the first thing I did is interview with all the people that would be interested in this, and they all wanted like a completely different thing that I was thinking about. So after having, I'd say like I almost had like 80 or 90 interviews with the people. And after seeing what they wanted, then I created my program and I launched my pop, and it was a complete success, which I would have never done on my own. That's for sure. I would have done a complete different thing. So after I was able to launch my pop, and I did it with two groups of students right away. So I had like 14 students at a price that I would have never really asked for. So it was a huge amount of money that I would never have expected to do on my own on just the first launch, like even before I recorded any video, because I made it live so that I could actually do the classes live and see what worked, what didn't work, and all that kind of stuff. But so even I even did anything, I had 14 students right away, and they paid me 1,500 euros each, and I was able to launch the course without actually doing any work. So I was getting paid before doing anything, which was incredible. The beautiful thing of that is, first of all, I was able to do the live classes, which allowed me to after do the pre-recorded classes that I put in the platform. So it was a win-win, because I was able to actually get the important stuff from my live classes and make the videos so much better because of that. And then after that, I launched my second group of students, which they already went through the pre-recorded classes. So I didn't even have to do live classes anymore. And I just do feedback sessions with them now. And I made just one group with this because I actually wanted to test if they would be happy with the pre-recorded classes. And it went even more smoothly than the first groups with doing less work. So that was insane. And now, right now, I'm launching two new groups of students. Right now, I have 10 students already signed up for my course. And I still have this week and next week to probably make it like 6 students per group. It's just insane. Like I would have never expected to go so well ever. And it's changed my life in a way that I'm seeing my future, because now I work at a studio, like I work as a video game artist, right? But this has allowed me to even think that maybe this could be like a full-time job, just doing courses and work with my students and like really polish that and just move forward with that, that's like a real possibility that actually has never been in my mind, that this would be a possibility to have a full income just for doing these courses. So it's pretty insane. So the tangible results from doing this, first of all, like I have gotten an income that I never had before, and I never expected to have. I made a lot of money, which is crazy to me that I was able to make this much money just from teaching, because I have been a teacher. I have taught for many schools in my life, and so that gave me some money. But the amount of money that I get for doing this on my own, and doing it on my own terms, and doing it the way I like it, and investing myself in my students the way that I always wanted to make, is just so much better in every way. Like doing it my way, it's insane. And the rewards is not only the money, like it's because I personally invest myself in these students, right? So to see the transformation that they are having in their lives, and in their art, in the portfolio that they create so that they can get hired by big studios, it's mind blowing. Like it's I would have never expected to see such a big change in such a small amount of time working with them. Like it shows them what they are capable of doing on their art. So it's like they start on a really normal scale point, and when they finish with me, they are like exponentially on a higher place. And I always tell them like, all right, this is your base now. Now you build from here. So that base that we create together, it's already insane. So yeah, I mean, the reward to me is being able to be a part of their lives, actually. Like the relation that I build with them, like we are all friends now. And I know that I'm gonna be like seeing their successes and cheering with them for probably my whole life. So it's that's really something, you know. So if you are really thinking, and probably have been thinking for a while about investing in yourself and investing in the Authority Accelerator Program so that you can create something of your own, like I would have not a doubt. To me, I recovered twice the investment that I did on the first 3 months of joining the program. That's the time that it took me to start doing these interviews I had with the people and launching my first course. It was less than 3 months, and once I did it, like I doubled the amount that I put for the program. So I know it is worth it. Now that's only like the beginning. Like I'm just getting started. Like I'm planning to double my income next year. So it's just, I mean, it's not a no-brainer. Like if you have the money, or are willing to put the money in to make it, it's gonna be totally worth it, because you're gonna get so much more out of it. Not only on the money that you invest, but the experiences and the foundation that you're gonna build to make an actual business that is gonna provide dividends to you. It's 100% worth it. And especially, at least from my side, this is like I feel very passionate about my job, and most people that want to teach the things that they do feel the same way, right? So if you are like me and you're passionate, it's not only about the money, it's about how you impact the people, and how you build these relationships with them, and be as like a small part on their lives that they're going to cherish, right? So it's totally worth it for sure.